My name is Bryant Fitts, and I'm a lawyer who deals with denied and underpaid hail damage claims. What do you do if your hail damage claim has been denied? Often this happens in the following situation. A hailstorm blows through an area where there's significant damage. Often it'll total cars at a car dealership. It'll knock the windows out of certain cars if the hail's large enough. It'll do tremendous damage to people's property at their house or their business. It'll damage roofs. It'll damage air conditioners. It can damage fences. And if you have this damage, you typically need to make a claim because it's covered under virtually every insurance policy. Now, from time to time, people make these claims and they get denied. And a lot of times they get denied for the following reasons. Number one, they get denied because the adjuster will say, yeah, I saw some hail out here. There's evidence of hail, but it doesn't look like it was big enough to do any damage. Or they'll deny the claim and they'll say, hey, we've looked at this and it looks like old damage that occurred during a different policy period. Other reasons why they deny claims is they will say, we've looked at this and it's just cosmetic. It hasn't caused any sort of mechanical damage to the shingle or to the air conditioner or to the fence. All of these reasons are definitely judgment calls, and typically, I would argue every one of these should be paid under an insurance policy. Now, it's important to look at the policy and see what exactly is covered and what isn't covered. And if your claim is denied for these reasons, it's definitely worth looking into. And the common scenario this plays out is, let's just say you live on a street and there's 20 houses on your street and the hailstorm blows through the neighborhood, limbs are down, all the stuff that happens when you have a bad weather event. Well, everybody cleans up their yards and you move on with your life, and then 2-3 weeks later, the roofing crews show up and all these roofers show up and they start putting on new roofs because everybody's roofs were damaged by hail. Well, then you realize you have hail damage and you report your claim, but your insurance company tells you you don't have any hail damage, whereas all your neighbors did. If you're in that situation, you need to contact a property damage lawyer immediately so they can help you protect your rights. The only way to hold the insurance company accountable is to sue them for breach of contract under your insurance contract. They're not going to pay your claim unless you make them. We've handled thousands of these claims across the U.S. for the last several years. We know how to evaluate the claims, and we can have the experts come out there to review your damage to tell you if you in fact have hail damage and also tell you the best way to proceed. Our services are free. We don't charge unless we're successful. So we only get paid when you get paid. If you have any question about hail damage to your business or your residential property, please give us a call at 1-800-99-FITS or contact us on our website. Thank you.